Good morning, my name is Engineer Piyush Pandey. Welcome to today's session of Motivational Skills, and the topic for today's discussion is interview question. Describe the purpose of this job to someone from another planet. I would like to repeat this question, ladies and gentlemen. Describe the purpose of this job to someone from another planet. Now, this is very critical question, and sometimes HRs ask this question. Describe the purpose of this job to someone from another planet. Now here, we must try to understand that who is the person from another planet. Now the planet on which we are living, it is known as Earth, and then there are a large number of other planets in universe. Who is the person which is from another planet? Now ladies and gentlemen, the main purpose of asking this question is you must explain the purpose of this job to someone who is absolutely unaware of the scenario in which you are working. The person who is absolutely unaware of the kind of task that you do, the kind of department that you handle, and whatever is related to you in professional terms, that person is absolutely unaware of it. So this is the basic meaning of calling that explain this job to someone from another planet. Literally, it is not a person from another planet, but the HR wants to ask that how will you explain your job to that person who is absolutely unaware of your field, who is not knowing anything about your field? How will you explain your job to that person? Now, in order to explain your job role to a person who is absolutely unaware of your field, you not only need to tell that what were your responsibilities in a particular domain, but you need to explain the entire domain to that person. You not only need to explain your core specific responsibilities related to your core specific profile, but you need to explain the entire domain to that individual. What kind of task you actually do? What is the basic meaning of that task? Why actually people do that task? This is what you need to explain. Now, if some kind of task is happening somewhere, why that task is actually happening? What is the purpose of that task? Why people are making use of large number of devices and tools and technologies related to that particular job? What are those tools and technologies? This is what you need to explain. So all in all, the HR wants to say that explain your job role to a layman. Explain your job role to a person who is absolutely unaware of your job role, who is absolutely unaware of the scenario where you actually work, and who is absolutely unaware that what is the basic purpose of doing this kind of job. Why people actually do this job. So you need to explain it to that person who is absolutely unaware. Now, how will you explain your job role to that kind of person who is absolutely zero in your field, who is knowing nothing? In that case, you need to first of all explain that what is the basic purpose of your job? As I have said, why people actually do this kind of job? What is its benefit in modern society? What is its benefit in terms of industry? And along with that, what is its benefit in terms of growth of society? How it is impacting industry and how it is impacting society? Because if some kind of task is happening, definitely it is going to impact society. And if it is not impacting society, if it is not making any positive changes in the life of common people, what is the use of it? If a particular task is not bringing positive changes in the life of common people, what is the use of it? And here I would like to say one more thing, ladies and gentlemen. You pick up any job, you name any job, and definitely that job is related to common people. You pick up any job, whether directly or whether indirectly, that job is 100% affecting common people, me and you. Doesn't matter what that job is. That job may be of a civil engineer, that job may be of a chemical engineer, that job may be of a fashion designer, that job may be of wildlife conservation department. You pick up any job, ladies and gentlemen, directly or indirectly, it is associated with common people. This is the fact of life. So when this kind of question is ever asked to you in any kind of interview, you need to explain its purpose. why people actually do that kind of job, what is the purpose of that job, how it is impacting society, how it is impacting people belonging to that specific industry, how it is uplifting life of common people in any way, what is the purpose of this job. So the overall meaning of asking this question is this, that tell me that what is the purpose of tell the purpose of this job to someone from another planet. Who is the person from another planet who is absolutely unaware of what is happening on your planet? Straight away, ladies and gentlemen, who is the person from another planet who is absolutely unaware of what is happening on your planet? There is oxygen on your planet, there is no oxygen on his planet. This is the difference. So ladies and gentlemen, here you need to be highly thoughtful while answering this question. When the HR asks this question, try to initially tell him that why people actually get enrolled in the kind of job in which you have experience. What is the basic purpose of this job? What is your actual task? What is your core actual task? What you actually did in your previous organization? And how it impacted your industry, further how it impacted society. What are the major loopholes in your job? What are the major plus points of your job? You need to explain each and everything to the HR. Only then the HR will come to know that yes, you are highly confident about your job role, and you are so confident that you can explain it to anyone. You can explain it properly to the person who belongs to your field, and you can also explain it appropriately to the people who do not belong to your field. And you must explain in such a manner that the person who doesn't belong to your field, he is also able to understand that what exactly the job is. Now it all depends upon your speaking ability and the knowledge of your core profile that you have. Two things are required here. Number one, you must have 100% knowledge of your profile, the kind of task that you do, so that you can thoroughly explain that what is the responsibility of a person like you in department and what is the responsibility of a person like you towards society. You can clearly differentiate between these two things. Along with that, you must have good communication skills, good English communication skills, so that you can put forward your point in an effective manner and you can impress the HR in a positive way. So ladies and gentlemen, this is the whole crux of answering this question. Have good knowledge, have thorough knowledge of the kind of task that you are doing, and then while answering question, you must keep this thing in your mind that you are explaining the answer to that person who is absolutely unaware of your job role. Make use of appropriate words, appropriate sentence structure, appropriate English structure, so that you can thoroughly explain your job role to the person who is not aware of your job role. This is the whole crux of answering this question, ladies and gentlemen. So friends, that's all for today. I hope that you loved my today's video. Please subscribe my channel ER Piyush Pandey Trainer BTech MBA, and please press the bell icon for constant updates. Thank you very much. Have a great day.